Most people think AI automation requires complex coding. It doesn't. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a super simple system that can generate your first $100 online. Probably in less time than it takes to finish your coffee. Forget everything you've heard about needing to be a tech genius. Look at this. This is what's possible with just a few clicks. And I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step right now. So why is this blowing up? There's a massive trend happening. Searches for AI automation services have skyrocketed by over 1,000% in the last year alone. Companies, small businesses, and content creators are desperate for automation. They know they need to be online, but they don't have the time. The secret is, you don't need to be an expert programmer to help them. You just need to know which buttons to click. And today, you're going to learn exactly that. This isn't about building complicated software. It's about using simple, powerful tools to solve a huge problem for people. All right, let's get into the good stuff, the actual tutorial. We're going to build what I call the bulk content service. It sounds fancy, but it's incredibly easy. We're going to create a month's worth of social media content in about 10 minutes. First step, head over to ChatGPT. Our goal is to generate 50 pieces of short text for a specific niche. Let's pick real estate, since agents are always busy and need content. I'm going to type in a simple prompt like, "Give me 50 short, motivational quotes for new home buyers." And just like that, ChatGPT spits out a whole list. We'll just copy this list. No need to overthink it. Now for step 2, the magic moment. Open up Canva. Create a design for an Instagram reel or a square post. Make it look nice. Maybe add a background video or a nice photo. Now, on the left-hand side, look for the app section and find the feature called Bulk Create. This is the secret weapon. Click on it and choose Enter Data manually. Now, just paste those 50 quotes we got from ChatGPT right into this table. Okay, see our design. We have a text box. Right-click on that text box, go to Connect Data and select the text from the table we just pasted. You'll see it turns into a little tag. Now, get ready. Hit Continue and then generate 50 pages. And boom, look at that. Canva has automatically created 50 different videos, each with a unique quote. We just made a month's worth of content in literally seconds. This is what you'll be delivering to your clients. So how do we turn this into that $100? This is the best part. Who actually pays for this? Local businesses are your best bet. Think real estate agents, dentists, gym owners. You can go to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and create a gig that says, "I will design 30 social media posts for your business for $100. Or, my favorite method, just find local real estate agents on Instagram and send them a direct message. Say something simple like, "Hey, I see you're posting online. I can create a full month of video content for you for just $100. Interested?" Think about the value. It took you, what, 10 minutes? But for that busy business owner, you just saved them hours and hours of work. It's an absolute no-brainer for them. You can do this once a day, once a week. It's that simple to get started. So there you have it. A complete blueprint to make your first $100 with AI automation. No coding required. If you want to see me actually try this exact method for the next 30 days and document all my results, the wins and the losses, hit that subscribe button and comment the word challenge down below. The more comments I see, the more likely I am to do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.